Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Asphalt 8, Airborne Error Code 400. As per the research, the error comes when users try to join an online game. Instead of connecting, the game shows this error and doesn't allow the player to proceed. According to our research, this error may be caused by connection issues, an outdated game version, or temporary problems on the server side. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your internet. Once everything is restarted, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, check if you need to update the game. If there's an update available, install it and see if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably a server-side issue. In that case, wait for some time. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.